Can you attempt the question that we have on the board? Here you are asked to solve for the value of x such that 15 raised to the power of log x base 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of log 45x base 5 equals to 1. Okay, I'm going to show you a more excellent way to approach this question. We have 15 raised to the power of log x base 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of log 45x base 5. This will be equals to 1. The first step is that you have to take the logarithm of base 5 of both sides, okay? Log both sides to base 5. So I'm going to have log base 5, 15 raised to the power of log x base 5 multiplied by x raised to the power of log 45x base 5 equals to log 1 base 5. Okay, now having logged the both side, having logged it to base 5, the next step is that you are going to use the log of a product. Are you getting it? According to this law, log a multiplied by b is equals to log a plus what? Log b. That is if the base are the same. Do you understand? So let's say the base are in 10. So that means we can use this law. We're going to apply it here to the left hand side of the logarithmic equation that we have. So I'm going to have log base 5. Okay, this one I'm going to separate it from this. Then I'm going to add the addition sign. That is, the log of a product is the sum of the log. Are you getting it? So that means I'm going to have 15 raised to the power of log x base 5 plus the same thing for here. I'm going to bring this here, put in the logarithm. So log x raised to the power of log 45x, and the base is 5 here, and the base a also is 5. This will be equals to log 1 base 5. Okay, now the next step is that, do you know this law? Log a raised to the power of b will be equals to b multiplied by what? Log a. That is, the log of a power is the product of the power and the logarithm. Do you understand? So we are going to make use of the same law. Are you getting it? So that means this log x base 5 will be multiplying this logarithm. So I'm going to have log x base 5 multiplied by log 15 base 5 plus this log 45x base 5 also will multiply this logarithm. So we are going to have log 45x, and the base is 5, multiplied by log x base 5. This will be equals to log 1 base 5. Do you understand? Okay, now listen to me. When you get to this point, you can see that log x base 5 is common to this logarithm and this logarithm. So I'm going to factor it out. Okay, so I'm going to have log x base 5, open the bracket, log 15 base 5. Okay, now this log x base 5 has been factored out. So what I'm going to be left with is what? Log 45x base 5. So put the sum log 45x, and the base is what? 5. So this will be equals to log 1 base 5. Do you understand? Okay, when you get to this point, do you know that? Please pay attention. The log of 1 to any base is what? Is 0, right? So that means if I have log 1 base n, the result will be what? 0. So that means if I have log 1 base 5, the result also will be what? 0. So I'm going to set this logarithmic equation to be equals to 0. So for this, we are going to have log x base 5 multiplied by log 15 base 5 plus log 45x base 5, and then this will be equals to 0. Are you following? Okay, now I'm going to set this log x base 5, I'm going to set it equals to 0. So I'm going to have log x base 5 will be equals to 0. Now, to get the value of x, I'm going to rewrite this logarithmic equation. I'm going to rewrite it in index form. Do you understand? In index form, I'm going to have this will carry this. I'm going to have x equals to 5 raised to the power of 0. So x will be equals to 1, which is the first answer for x. Now, I can also set this also equals to 0. So we're going to have log 15 base 5 plus log 45x base 5. This will be equals to 0. Okay. Now, do you know this? You're going to use this law, but you're going to reverse it. Are you getting it? The sum of a log is the product of the log. So now we are having sum of two log. The result will be log 15 multiplied by 45x, and the base is 5, will be equals to what? 0. Okay. So we are going to have log 675x base 5 equals to 0. Also, to get the value of x, I'm going to rewrite this in index form. Do you understand? So in index form, we're going to have 675x is equals to 5 raised to the power of 0, right? 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1. So permit me to create something like this. Here, I'm going to have 675x is equals to 1. To get the value of x, I'm going to divide both sides by 675. Okay, so x is equals to 1 divided by 675, and that is the final answer. Do you understand? So you can see that the solution is beautiful and it is interesting. All you have to do is just understand the basic laws of logarithm. Okay, and if you want to learn more on logarithm, you can always visit our YouTube channel. Okay, check the playlist and then watch all the classes. Do you understand? So that will be all for this class. If you have any question as touching what we discuss in this class, you can let me know in the comment section. Okay, see you in the next class.